Bird Bros.
Bird Bros. So here we are in Northern Ontario.
So we drove up to New Liskeard.
Yeah, 7-hour drive from where we live.
We're on the border of Quebec and Ontario here, like near Inglehart, to see some owls.
In search of the great grey owl. A lot more snow up this way. Grey Jay!
This is the national bird of Canada.
Yeah, found in all of Canada except for Southern Ontario. Oh, and there's a fox.
Yeah, saw this guy just off the side of the road.
A real beauty coat that one's got. Oh, and first time we saw snow buntings too, right there on the side of the road. These guys are Arctic birds. They're just passing on through, heading back up north there to go breed. They're just chilling back south there to stay a bit warmer for the winter.
We've seen these things in flocks of easily 300-400 more.
Yeah, just flying by. This guy's taking a piss, what a hoser.
Just relaxing. The road is long.
And our first ever evening bunting. Never seen that before either. It's amazing, you just drive, 6-7 hours up north and the amount of different birds you see.
This is a hobbit house we've found.
Yeah, that's some sketchy shit.
John was quite amused by that.
It's even got like vent pipes for plumbing and shit coming out of the ground, I guess, / roof.
Oh, here's the Grey Jay again.
They start popping up all over the place.
There's a wild grouse in here. We're not quite sure which time.
Oh look, it's grouse. The ruffed grouse.
Yeah. The most common of the grouse found in Canada is the ruffed grouse.
The male makes a sound like a motor starting when it's in the breeding season.
Yeah, kind of like this sound here.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Was that the bird, or was that just you, Sean?
I don't know, I think there's stormtroopers coming.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, he's like near that big tree, like the thickest tree straight in front of you. The thick tree. Right in the center is a Shrek. Was that it? Yeah. It's to the right of the thick tree, I can see it.
This is a northern shrike.
Is it the smallest of the raptors?
It is the smallest of the raptors.
How convenient.
Yeah.
Day one ends. Beautiful sunset.
Good morning. Just woke up from sleeping in the car. It was -6 or so at night, but it wasn't bad. Just taking a dump. Here we are checking out the Hilliardton Marsh in the town of Hilliard. There's some cool birds. Come here.
This is a bird banding facility, so always make sure that you know what time of year you're going. This is a man-made marsh, and the people here, we met some. They were very nice.
Here's a common red pole. Another first for the bird bros. They got the red patch there and on the forehead, and they got the darkness along the belly. The black mask and the white wing bar there.
Here's John. He's wearing some camo. We all got the camo on. Feeling it.
Yeah, so the birds can't see us. We're sneaky. Get the best quality shots for our viewers.
Just birds everywhere. That's a hoary redpoll.
A dirty bird.
Actually, it's quite a clean bird, as you can see by its white rump.
Yeah.
Keeps it way cleaner than the common redpoll.
Yeah.
Solid white ass.
Yeah, that's a hoary.
Got a solid white ass, that bird.
That's a hoary there.
This one's banded.
Yeah, you can see there. Here's the evening grosbeak.
It's got a pretty large beak, kind of like a purple finch, which you might see later.
Yeah. I don't think it's even that gross of a beak.
This is what it sounds like.
Yeah.
Such a beautiful bird. Pretty bird.
Now we're at a disclosed location where we got to view some pine siskins on a friend of ours' patio.
Yeah. Yeah, he invited us in for some coffee and showed us the pine siskins, which we have never seen before. Another first for the bird bros.
Yellow flecks on the wings. Kind of a distinguishing feature.
Yeah, yeah. Here's your female purple finch also. Just showed up as we were about to leave.
Notice her beak is kind of taller, top to bottom. I don't know, larger beak. Oh, next time. What the fuck's that? What is that? What's that?
Just as the night was looming, we spotted the Phantom of the North.
The Great Grey Owl. Drix Nebulosa. Behind us, we got a great gray owl. Behind us, we got the great gray owl.
The Phantom of the North.
This guy's one of the biggest owls in all Ontario here.
Biggest owl in the world, actually.
Like, great gray owl, like John said, is the largest owl in the world.
Yeah. The largest facial discs as well.
These things perch low on like a fence post and hunt small rodents.
Yeah, using those giant facial discs of theirs to hear voles or small rodents under the snow and whatnot in the field, running around.
Other things and stuff.
And it flies so silently. And it's not scared of humans, really. Like, it wasn't really paying much attention to us. We got pretty close to it. It was just at the side of the road. It doesn't eat small birds or anything like that. It just goes for the voles and small mice and stuff.
Gray Jay sitting beside it on the branch.
Gray Jay and Great Gray Owl.
Just fucking chilling.
The Gray Brothers.
So that's all we got for this episode.
Yeah, a bunch of new species.
Cool to see the great gray owl.
Yeah. Northern Ontario. Pretty neat.
Always more birds to see, and we got more in the bank.
Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our videos.
And stay tuned for more.
And don't forget to click on the notification bell right beside the subscribe link. Bird bro.
Bird.
Bird.